So what is the Apple coverage? So when you open up your settings and go to your devices menu at the top, you can see some things which you can manage about it. So you will have the ability to see the Apple Care and warranty, and this is basically the coverage. So you can see your current situation about the phone, and Apple coverage is basically separated into the two parts. So you have the basic coverage, which likely expires after a year. So this is the service for some parts which get faulty, right? So this is the basic coverage. It kind of varies by the country where you bought it, but this is the basic coverage. But then there is also the extended protection, which is called Apple Care Plus, and this is the Apple's official warranty and extended service program, which is going to provide you with technical support and repair services. Obviously, you have to add that on, meaning that you purchase it additionally, but it would mean that if that your phone breaks randomly or something, you can bring it to the Apple store and it's going to be fixed without any additional purchase. So the way that it works is that you buy a new phone, you have the regular coverage as I've shown you, but within 2 months, within 60 days of the purchase, you can pay for the additional Apple Care Plus. So this protects your device against drops, spills, and screen cracks, which usually you would pay for, but with the Apple Care Plus subscription, you don't really have to do that anymore, as the phone is going to be replaced and or fixed for you, part of this, protection which you paid for. So that is the thing. As I say, it kind of gets separated into these two things. So it depends on your situation and stuff. That's how you can set it up. Thanks a lot for watching. And this was just a quick explanation. So if you like this type of videos, subscribe for more and I'll see you later.